It's the Netherlands that is today still appreciative and conscious of the liberation. And the Canadians had a big part to play in that. I've had a great life. I've had wonderful experiences. But I have never forgotten what it is like. I learned, I grew up because of my war service. And I never forgot to understand the responsibility that you inherit with that kind of experience.
I left Holland in '54, and we traveled back and forth regularly, and went one day to one of the large cemeteries. And that was the most moving sight, to see these endless rows of graves and, stones or crosses with the names of Canadian soldiers, and these young boys were 22 to 25-year-old. And to think that they had come to liberate us